everybody, welcome to Timeless Food Art. How you doing? It's Jenise. Well, I'm going to try to do something. Hopefully it will be something that works this time. I've been going crazy. Nothing seemed to be working today. It's like, whoa, what is wrong? Alright, first things first, let me pour my paint. I'm going to spin right here. Hopefully it won't splatter everything all crazy. Alright. Shouldn't need that much paint. Okay. That should be good enough. And if not, I'll add more. I just won't close the top yet. Alright. Because I want it to spin, but I don't want it to spin like outrageous. First thing I'm going to do, well, that's what happened to my lid. I was looking for a lid before, and I'm like, what happened to it? All of a sudden, I'm minus a lid. It's crazy. Okay. First things first, I'm going to pour down, oh, this blue is really kind of thick, but I think it'll work. I should have thinned it out some more, but I think it'll work. All right, put a little thing here. Not much needed, because I've got these other colors I'm going to be adding to it. Okay, this blue. Okay. And then a little bit of purple. Now, I don't know what the purple does, except I happen to like it. You know. And then some green. Turquoise, I guess. And I do want to do, let me see, just a little line of purple underneath that. Let me get rid of that big bubble. Bubble, bubble. Bubble, bubble, trouble. And a little bit of that purple here. Okay. And then some more of this blue. I think I found a really good swipe that I could use. Okay, then the blue. Oh, so thick. Hope it works. Okay. And then copper for the bottom. I think the copper's going to look marvelous. Simply marvelous. All right, now I'm going to cut these. I need just two of them, I think. One. This material was wrapped around my my rounds here. So cool. All right, and I think this was the one that worked. Yeah. 613. I guess I'll do this side. I have not used this material for this particular purpose, but I figure how bad can it be? It's got to work at least, I think. Don't you think? Alrighty. Get it out of the way. Alright. I don't have a little garbage bag here. Why, I don't know. I'm starting this end to go. Okay. Now, let me see if I can get this over the trash bag. Okay. This may just work. Let me cover this. This is my little bin to catch the droppings. Alright, now move some of this off this way. And now this way. And this way. Whoops, I want to keep the copper. Yeah, okay. Alright, and then let me take this, have to move this out of the way, put this back on here, and now I'm going to spin it. Hopefully it won't spin that bad. Yeah, see? I wish I had more of the, I wonder if I could stick some of the, oh, I'm afraid to wreck it, I really am. I don't know what I want to put in the purple spot. Oh, I don't know what I want to do. No, 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 no. I don't want to keep the purple there, so let me just get some of this stuff off my hands. All right, let me think here. Because I think what I want to do is just swipe in that one center. Now the trick is, which one do I want to do? I sure do miss my little garbage bag over here. I totally forgot to get it. All right. I'm going to do... I think the blue needs to be done here, right here. And then some of the turquoise. All right. If I could do some of that on top, and then a little bit more copper. All right, now let me try this again. Cut this in half. All right. Oh, good. One more glove to open a new pack. Now let me get this way over here, and I'm going to like to get my hand dirty. Try to get some more of that over here. Off the black anyway. Alright. I think I like that better. Alright, I'll make it back this way. Get rid of my white marks I just made there. I don't like when I do that. And I don't know why I do that. Okay. It's almost gone. As soon as it's done, I'm done. Done, 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 done. A little more. Okay. Now I don't know what to do with it. Let me see if there's anything on the bottom I have to worry about. Yeah. Let me go around here. And if you notice, my watch is off. Okay. Perfect, I think. I have to think where I'm going to put it now. Running out of room in this joint. I made it always do it though. Alrighty, well, success after so many failures today. My goodness gracious, I'm so excited now. I really am. Let me just wipe my hand here and then I'll take you down, let you see. Let you see my failures. They may or may not get posted, but, you know, it's not going to serve you any purpose if they do. Alright, let me go ahead and dry my hands real quick. Alright. And I see my light is on, so that gives me... Alright, let me see. Okay, here we go. We just did this one. Looks more like a scene of something, you know? So, it could be water with a little wall and then ocean, or just the sky. I like it. I like it a lot, actually. I'll show you what I made today. 2 disasters. This one here, major disaster. Yep, just not good. And this was somewhat, but I ended up liking it. So, anyway, all right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for some more, you know, stuff. Thank you for subscribing. New subscribers, thank you. Old subscribers, can't do without you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.